8, 11, 24. We put on these 4 OEM used Honda Accord rims. They're like 16-inch. So let's go ahead and make sure these have air in them the next day. I did pump them up to 40.5. These tires are Outside, USA, Road Huggers, GTP A/S, Traction A, Temperature A, and the size on them are 205, 60, 16. All 4 the same brand. Let me make sure this car is asking for the same 205, 60, 16. 91 V-rated tires. Road Huggers. So I put the nice ones on the outside, and I put the bad ones in the inside, because when you hit the curb, I noticed like 3 of them were balanced. 1 of them didn't have any weights, so hopefully the ones with the weights in the front drive good, and if not, we can balance the one that wasn't balanced, which I believe could be this one's balanced. I know this one's balanced. I put it in the front. This one's balanced. There's some balance there. And so this might be the only one that's not balanced. I see some weights here. Could have fell out. Who knows? Oh, no, they're weights. Seems like they're weights. Okay.